Namaste. Dustin. Yeah. What is your name?
Shukdev.
Shukdev.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Shukdev.
Shukdev.
Yeah.
Shukdev.
Yeah.
Okay. Shukdev. So you just said if you're not I love head scratches. This is a good head scratch right now. So if they're not loyal to their barbers, what did you just say again?
If men are not loyal to their barbers, they are not loyal to anyone.
They're not loyal to anyone.
Yeah. Men should be loyal to their barbers and their tattoo artists.
A barber, yeah, being loyal to your barber.
If he is not there, I don't cut my hair, but yeah. So, is it better than Delhi?
Oh yeah, 100%. It's just proper massage. Feels so good. So relaxing right now.
Do you feel an orgasm in your head?
Hold on, his fingers in my ears. I can't hear you. You gotta wait a second. What?
Do you feel orgasm in your head?
Do I feel orgasm? You can say it's an orgasmic massage.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah, that's a. All right.
The body massage now.
Nah, body
Take off
massage.
the shirt, maybe. It's good.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it off. Hold on.
Body का देखो शुरू.
Getting a body massage.
Better support.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Such a good massage right now. It feels so nice.
তুমি এই যে কথাগুলো বলছো এটা ধরো ইন্ডিয়ান কেউ দেখলো.
What? What did you say?
He was just abusing the owner of this shop in Bengali. So I am just saying, if this video is watched by any Bengali YouTuber, he's gonna get a thrashing from his owner.
What?
He's not happy with his owner because she doesn't tip him well.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I'll tip him. Don't worry. He's your friend too.
This one is intense.
This one is good enough. Parts of it are intense, but as a whole, no. It's.
If you want it harder, I can ask him to increase.
This whatever he does normally, it's good.
Yeah, Hindi and Hindi. No, kichu na. No Hindi, no Bengali.
Oh, Namaste. Ne.
Na.
Na.
Hai.
Ha. Hey. Tamur.
তোমার নাম কি?
Tumar namke. No bad. No bad. Bengali, okay? Okay. It's like 2 days here.
Bengali समझ सकते?
Sure, you can go a little bit harder.
একটু জোরে দাও.
Oh, pop. Okay, yeah, okay. It's good.
ফার্স্টে কি বলতো শক্তা লাগে না? উঠে দিতে পারে. তুমি এরকম যদি আমাদের চামড়ায় করতে হবে উঠে তাওড়া দিয়ে দিতে হবে, তোমাকে বিশ্বাস করো. এরপর দেখেন লাল হয়ে গেছে.
Just grab that chunk of lat muscle and yank it. Yeah. I prefer this type of body massage on a chair too. Because I don't like laying down for massage. Sometimes they move my body.
Yeah, it's uncomfortable actually.
This is so much better.
Yeah.
This feels so good. You can say it's orgasmic.
Okay.
It's okay. It's too much for you?
If he would do me like this, I would get up from the chair and slap him right away. Because it's really hard for me. I can't take this. It's extreme. No, I can't.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm
I'm getting pushed up against the wall right now.
দুটো রুটি খায় কিস্তি করবে
I'm scared the chair is gonna fall out.
no
It's like I'm in a judo class. You know judo?
yeah martial arts
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna fall out of the chair.
No, you won't.
Okay.
The chair is
It's secured? Okay.
secure to a platform maybe underneath.
I hope so. Oh. The chair stops. Am I doing a charcoal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's pain, so I can't.
Yeah. I forgot your tattoo. All right, I've never done a charcoal-based massage before. Or, I don't know what you call it, the mask.
How long are they?
What?
No, people are just looking at you like hell, bro.
They come in and look?
They were staring.
You can open the curtain if you want. Huh?
Hello, his name is Shukdev. He's the,
Where's his barber shop if people want to come here?
his barber shop is in Polar Fan in Behala, Kolkata. So,
What's the street?
maybe it's Mahendra Banerjee Road. Eta ki Mahendra Banerjee Road? Choto Bazaar. Yeah. So, he's Dustin's service. Yeah, maybe at new friend. He's really enjoying the massage today, right?
Super. I don't want to talk too much because I got a bunch of the stuff in my mouth.
Yeah.
I got it in my eyes, so I gotta. Okay. What's been the most interesting thing staying with a foreigner for the first time?
It's very interesting. Like you guys don't hug people when they sleep. Asians are really close.
What did you just say?
You guys don't hug each other when you sleep.
I thought you said hump. Do you know what hump is?
No, what?
Like when you're having the motion of having sex, like this is.
No, hug.
Hug. I thought you said hump.
No,
Yeah.
you don't hug a lot. When you sleep, Asians people they are close to their, they are close to their family members. They hug each other when they sleep. So that's the thing when I observed. And also you don't snore a lot. But yesterday we were pretty good.
Should I open my eyes? Okay.
You will take the steam in.
Okay. Can I see the camera?
Yeah, I am holding it for you.
Okay, thank you. Because of like the dust in the air, just kind of the air in general.
Yeah.
Like a steamer right now is so nice because my allergies have been flaring up. It's helping with breathing too. Is this a comb?
No, it's not a comb, it's a thread. When we take out that the tan of your skin.
Okay. So he's threading my skin right now.
Yeah.
This side has a bunch of stuff in it. This one I can open.
He will remove it like that.
Yeah, no worries. I'm not worried about it. So how much is the head massage and body massage?
For both of us, it will be totally about $4.
Okay.
400 rupees. So it's good, right?
Yeah.
It's cheap. For both of us, it's about $4.
Yeah, no problem. So like the cheapest of cheap haircuts where my parents live in Southern California, that would be maybe $25 US.
So it's really cheap, bro. It's about $4.
Yeah.
For both of us, we are getting a good massage and a facial, right?
Yeah. So, but in the US though, you also tip.
Yeah.
So you would maybe tip $30.
Yeah.
25.
But in India, if you like the service, you can tip. But there is no hard and fast rule that you have to tip. So it's good, right?
No, it's great. Yeah. Who's that outside?
He's a local boy. Came to have a haircut.
I'm quite nervous for this one. Hold on. I got a little. Yeah, I feel it sticking up. If this pulls out my facial hair, it's gonna be so incredibly painful.
Oh God!
I don't know if you guys can see. There's a woman through the mirror watching me the whole process. It's Rahul.
Why are you speaking my name like that?
Okay, Rahul, it's his turn. We're gonna take all the back off. How short are we going up top? Well, your hair is long on top and the back. So,
Shorter than before, but not too short.
not too short, okay. Looking fresh?
Yeah, it looks good, right?
Alright, my turn. You can already see it's starting to peel off a little bit on the neck. My face is so constricted right now. Okay. Alright, not so bad. Huh? Water?
Does it hurt very much?
A bit, yeah. Okay. You get? Alright, because I'm paying for his haircut as well, so everything that we did, so 500, your haircut, face, head massage, body massage, facial.
Your shave.
And the guy is very friendly, he's a good sport about this too.
Yeah, $5 maybe?
Yeah.
Or $4.
So I'll give him 200 for tip.
Okay.
Is that okay? Maybe see you again. Okay. And then can you grab my glasses?
You're a vlogging creator?
Yeah. Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Do you want me to give it to you?
Yes, give it.
Do you have a phone?
I'm from India.
So my name is Dustin. If you just remember Dustin Vietnam, it'll come up. It'll pop up. But it's my last name, Shavia. Yeah, take it easy, you guys. Alright, bye-bye.
Do you like India?
Of course, yeah, India so far is great. Yeah. Namaste. Namaskar. The head massage was the best in the body massage.
In India, people don't really...
You know, I've had some issues with taxi drivers or Uber, not Uber drivers, but taxi drivers. But if the guy is friendly, I'm more than happy to leave a tip. Because customer service for me is big.
Yeah.
That was good. Thank you for that experience. But that head massage was, I guess we could say, orgasmic.
Yeah, that's... But you were really enjoying.
Oh yeah, I loved it. For this, the dad actually cooked some chicken curry. I'm really excited, but he has to work quite late, so I'll just be eating it myself with, Rahul. Not Rahul. I do that kiddingly. And you guys, the mom and the dad when they're young. No, she's very beautiful when she's young. And your dad. Nice. Your mom here is probably like mid-30s, 40s?
30s.
Okay. Dude, that's a lot of rice. We share this, yeah?
No.
Dude, that's too much rice for me.
Really?
Yeah, it's a lot of rice.
I'll bring a plate. I'll take it from you.
Okay.
I'll transfer
Please.
it to my plate, okay?
Chicken curry gravy?
Yeah.
So I eat here or do we eat together?
You sit here. If you can sit down.
Yeah, I can sit on the
generally
ground.
sit down.
Yeah.
On the carpet and we eat.
Yeah, I'll sit on the ground.
No, you can.
Yeah, dude, I live in Asia. I'm always sitting on the ground. So this is the first dish that I've had, like with a home cooked man cooking it.
Yeah.
So I need to have more. But I do prefer meat. So like your mom's dishes are very good.
Yeah.
But I'm just used to eating a lot of meat. So it's, for me, if there's meat, I'm gonna be biased. Head massage, body massage, home cooked curry, haircut.
Peaceful day?
Yeah. Do we need a relaxing day?
Yeah.
I saw that you spit on food on my leg.
Really?
It's okay.
It didn't fall on your leg, right?
Oh, I don't know. It doesn't matter. I don't care. But alright, you guys. I'll see you later. What is goodbye in Bengali?
Tata.
Tata. Okay. Tata is easy. That's a new word. Okay. Tata.